Hello friends, Mercedes has officially unveiled the updated S-Class. Yes friends, we have finally waited for this moment, and it is truly significant. The refreshed S-Class marks not just another facelift, but a major milestone tied to the 140th anniversary of Carl Benz's invention of the automobile in 1886. This is not a routine mid-cycle update of the W223 generation, but a fundamental re-engineering of the car, during which more than 50% of its components were replaced or modernized, over 2,700 parts in total. Probably the most difficult task fell to the designers. They had to improve something that already looked good, and it seems they succeeded. The appearance of the S-Class has become noticeably more expressive and prestigious. For the first time, designers have introduced an optional illuminated three-pointed star on the hood. Combined with the radiator grille enlarged by 20% and decorated with a constellation of chrome stars, it creates an almost theatrical effect when the owner approaches the car. But this is only the beginning. The front headlight units have also been redesigned, becoming more aggressive in appearance and more advanced technologically. They now integrate the new digital light headlights with the brand's signature double star pattern. Mercedes uses the most advanced micro-LED technology here. Thanks to this solution, the lighting range has increased by 40%, and the ultra-range high beam is now capable of piercing the darkness up to 600 meters ahead, dynamically avoiding other road users and projecting warning symbols directly onto the road surface. At the rear, the design is more restrained. It stands out with new taillights featuring 3 signature stars, and as an option, the side sills can project the Mercedes-Benz logo onto the asphalt. Overall, the body proportions remain unchanged, but the car clearly looks more expensive and more modern, and this facelift has definitely benefited the model. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. A logical continuation of the exterior evolution of the S-Class is the deep digital transformation inside the car. The updated S-Class debuts the 4th generation of the brand's operating system, which supports integration with ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing, and Google Gemini, so there is plenty to choose from. The interior architecture has also been revised. The large portrait-oriented screen has given way to the so-called Super Screen, a single glass panel that combines a 14.4-inch central display and a 12-inch front passenger screen, while the driver gets a separate digital instrument cluster. This layout is already familiar from the new E-Class, so there is no real revolution here. The interior of the new S-Class has become even more refined. The dashboard has been redesigned, new door panels have appeared, and natural mud inserts have been added to the center console. The rear seats have also received their share of updates. After all, this is an S-Class, and it is oriented toward rear seat passengers, especially in the long wheelbase version with the 4-seat first-class configuration. In this case, the car turns into a business lounge with individual 13-inch screens for rear passengers, folding tables, a refrigerated compartment, and the ability to hold video conferences via Zoom, WebEx, or other services. The technical specification of the new S-Class fully matches its flagship status, and as befits such a car, I will start with the flagship S500 version, equipped with the upgraded 4.0-liter V8 petrol engine M177 Evo, producing 537 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, allowing this yacht on wheels to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.0 seconds. The engine has received an upgraded injection system, new intake and exhaust port geometry, a revised firing order, and improved turbocharger components. This has increased throttle response and reduced vibrations. The inline-6 petrol engine M256 Evo has not gone anywhere either. It is now fitted with a more powerful electric compressor that eliminates turbo lag at low engine speeds. In the plug-in hybrid S580e version, this engine produces 585 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. As a model hybrid, it is also equipped with a battery of almost 22 kilowatt-hours, allowing it to travel up to 100 kilometers on electric power alone, which is quite impressive. This hybrid reaches 100 kilometers per hour in 4.4 seconds, and its top speed is 250 kilometers per hour. The same engine is also available in a less powerful hybrid version, the S450e, delivering a more modest 435 horsepower and 680 newton-meters of torque. In this case, the electric-only range increases to an even more impressive 113 kilometers, but you pay for it with slower acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers takes 5.7 seconds. If hybrids are not your thing, this same engine is also available in a conventional version with an output of 381 horsepower and 560 newton-meters of torque. In this configuration, acceleration is noticeably more lively compared to the base hybrid version and takes 4.9 seconds to reach 100 kilometers per hour. Mercedes has not forgotten about diesel either. The updated S-Class is available with the revised OM656 Evo diesel engine, which features an electrically heated catalytic converter that speeds up the exhaust aftertreatment system's warm-up phase and reduces emissions during the first minutes after startup. This engine is offered in two versions. In the base S350D, it produces a respectable 313 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque, and can propel the flagship sedan to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds. The more powerful S450D version delivers 367 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. With this engine, the flagship reaches 100 kilometers per hour in 5.1 seconds. So there is plenty of choice. Regardless of the engine selected, the top speed in all cases is limited to 250 kilometers per hour. In the end, the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class appears not just as an updated flagship, but a concentration of the brand's engineering, digital, and design achievements. It combines 140 years of heritage with artificial intelligence, luxury with computing power, and comfort with advanced safety systems. It remains the benchmark of the executive sedan segment, but now it is also a symbol of what a car can be in the age of smart technologies.